12 things that poor people do, rich people don't. Have you ever thought about why the rich people are getting richer and the poor people are getting poorer every day? It's because of the mindset. The 80 richest people in the world have the same amount of money that almost 3.5 billion people in the world have. The difference between the rich and the poor can only be reduced by changing mindsets. You should understand the fact that when you get on the right track, you become successful. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 12 things that poor people do and rich people don't. Number 1, poor people get paid based on time. Rich people get paid based on results. Poor people get paid based on the hours they have worked, whereas rich people get paid based on results. That is the reason that many famous athletes don't get paid for the hours they have exercised or played. Instead, they get paid based on their performance. Let's take an example of a famous athlete, Cristiano Ronaldo, who takes a yearly salary of $117 million, and that is because he is one of the best footballers in the whole world. He gets paid for his results. Let's take another example. If you were working at McDonald's, the important point is what value you bring to the McDonald's. You should therefore understand that the fact that no one cares about how much time, blood, and sweat you put into the project. They only care about your results. Number 2, poor people blame others for their bad performance. Rich people take the responsibility. Rich people take responsibility for their failures, and they learn and plan new ways to get success. On the other hand, poor people just blame others for their failures and never accept their own faults. This bad behavior becomes the main hurdle in their achievements. Number 3, poor people focus on spending money on useless things, while rich people save and invest. Poor people can't get rich because they spend more than they earn, and this habit can't change your life. They even use their credit cards or take out loans to buy useless things like expensive cars and mobile phones. The thing that decides your financial future is how you use your credit. The rule is simple. If you take a loan to buy something that does not generate more income, then don't take it. Rich people have a mindset of saving and investing money. They always look for the opportunity to invest their money. Further, they live within their means. Number 4, poor people think that they know everything. Rich people continuously learn. The main problem of the poor is that they think that they are the master of everything, but actually, they don't understand the fact that the learning process never ends. A man has to learn from the womb of his mother till reaching the grave. You should know that if you want to improve, make sure that you learn something new, and it is the only thing that can make you a better person. Number 5, poor people believe that money is the root of all evil. Rich people believe that poverty is the evil. Poor people believe that money is the root cause of all evil, and therefore they don't plan their life to become successful and get everything that they want. Rich people believe that not having enough money is actually the root cause of all evils, because people can be pushed to their moral limits in pursuit of money. You know that many people rob banks and get into the activities of snatching things because they don't have enough money. Number 6, poor people wear fancy dresses. Rich people focus on comfortable dresses. Poor people think that wearing fancy and expensive dresses will make them rich. But actually, that's not the reality. The other thing that poor people do is buy clothes that are on sale. Just think about it. Once that the clothes are on sale are the ones that people who could afford the full price didn't want. So by purchasing those clothes on sale, you're just making sure that you're trying to look exactly like someone who can't afford to pay the full price. Rich people just buy stocks that are on sale, especially when the market's down. Truly successful people focus not on price or brands, but on comfort. Let's take an example of a few successful people, such as Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, and Bill Gates. You've never heard that they have bought expensive dresses, diamond watches, etc. even though we all know that they can easily afford all these luxuries. They actually know that they don't have to prove themselves through their outfits. Number 7, poor people consume their time recklessly. Rich people plan their time. Rich people have a mindset of planning their time. They know how to prioritize their tasks. When you plan things, you get half of the achievement there. Managing time is an essential part of making life easy. Time should be valued and treated as a limited resource through prioritizing and planning. Every extra minute you spend on planning will add more time and power to your life. Poor people don't understand how important time is. Do you know the big difference between the rich and the poor? Rich people run the time, and the time runs the poor. Number 8, poor people have a lottery mindset. Rich people have an action mentality. Poor people believe that the only way to get rich is by buying a lottery ticket because they think that working hard and being smart will never help them in getting rich. Even though they know that the chance of winning are almost none, but still, they buy that fantasy. Rich people have an action mentality, and they believe that if it's going to be, it's up to them. They make a plan and take action. They don't rely either on lottery or anyone else. Number 9, rich people sacrifice today for tomorrow. Poor people don't. There can be no achievement, no success without sacrifice. Rich people know the reality that you cannot achieve anything without getting out of your comfort zone. Poor people, on the other hand, sacrifice tomorrow for today. You only have two options in life. Either work hard today so that you can rest and enjoy forever, or enjoy today and work hard for the rest of your life. Number 10, poor people waste too much time watching television. Rich people read books. Poor people don't understand that time is the most important thing in the world, and you have to spend it wisely. But unfortunately, they waste their time scrolling on social media and watching useless things on television. By watching useless things on television or social media, you are just getting away from reality and nothing else. On the other hand, rich people read books because they know there is no friend as loyal as a book. Do you know that the book is that kind of gift which you can open again and again? Think about yourself. How many books did you read last year? Number 11, rich people wake up early in the morning. Poor people don't. Do you know that many rich people around the world have some common habits? One is that they wake up early in the morning. For instance, Jeff Bezos wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Elon Musk wakes up at 7 a.m. and Bill Gates wakes up at 4 a.m. Whereas poor people waste their time at night while scrolling on social media, and as a result, they wake up late. It's simple to understand that when you go to bed early, then obviously you will wake up early in the morning and you will stay fresh the whole day while doing your tasks. Further, you'll also find some time for exercising. Number 12, poor people surround themselves with other poor people. You're known by the company you keep. That's simple to understand. Poor people make poor friends who constantly demotivate them because they've not achieved anything in their lives. So they think that no one has the capability to do it. If you really want to make a rich mindset, then you have to make those friends, or you have to surround yourself with successful people so that you can learn from them. You can follow in their footsteps instead of wasting time. Well, that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And while you're here, click to watch one of these two videos appearing on your screen right now. I'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.